Ok, bentornati sul Swishamber Channel. Oggi andremo in cerca di alcuni nativi qua dell'Australia. Welcome to the Swishamber Channel. Today we will search some Australian natives and we will see what they do usually. Andiamo a vedere se li troviamo. Oh, look at that. We have found two natives, Australians. Oh, they are quite dangerous, these. Okay, what are they doing? Let's ask them. Hey, man, what are you doing?
Oh, mate, we're just fucking cooking up. No, fuck.
Good.
Mate, slicing up the fucking dank kush. Right, this shit is going in hot. Toby just got fucking burned. Toby, what do you got to say about the burn, mate?
Nung flung.
Nung flung straight up, right? Right, this one right there comes from Rockwell National Park. Right, the ancestors tell me that when you go out there, you just cut the good ones and you cut them up and chuck them in your fucking lulu and she'll be bloody right, mate.
Okay, actually, I don't know if this is Australian, but yeah.
Yeah, mate, fucking hell.
Yeah?
It's not Australian, I'll tell you.
Ah, okay.
Mama Bulu straight from Rockwell taught me how to fucking talk like an ABBA.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Good, good. And, oh, who is that? You are here to prove the quality is good? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing, man?
Dude, I'm just cooking up a real feast here, as you can see.
Good.
You taught me everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, Diego.
Yeah.
Professional Italian chef.
Yeah.
Diego, teaching us Aussies how to cook up the dank Napolitan.
Okay. So we have two perfect Australians. The dog is very in the street, please. Thank you. So from here, today we have discovered two native Australians. E quindi per Swishamber Channel oggi abbiamo appena intervistato due nativi australiani intenti a cucinare una pasta australiana, ovviamente, non italiana, nonostante gliel'abbia insegnato, non penso siano ancora capaci, o almeno non in maniera buona, ma vabbè. E siamo sempre qua in diretta dal continente australiano, nonostante possiate vedere anche dei live dall'Italia, ma sono registrati ovviamente, quindi non vi preoccupate, io sono sempre qua, sempre a tenervi compagnia. E beh, cosa voglio dirvi? Noi vi salutiamo, we will not dance on me. We will say goodbye and see you on next live. Woo!